So what's going on, guys? I'm here at the Razer Suite at CES 2019, and I have brand new Razer Blade laptops with a few sweet upgrades inside. Now you're both, or all of you are familiar, I'm not talking to two people here, you're familiar with their design. It pretty much looks exactly from the previous year, but it's what's inside that counts. So instead of the previous 10 series GPUs, you're getting the updated RTX GPUs. So it's gonna start off anywhere from a RTX full-size 2060. You can buy it in a 2070, that will be the MAXQ variation, or even the 2080, which is also the MAXQ. Now other changes, they are now coming out with a OLED version of it, which has a beautiful screen like this. It's really hard to see on camera because it's just extremely bright, and right now it's set on like one setting, but it's very contrasty, so if you're a content creator like myself, you can get a super color accurate display like this. It's 4K, it's 60 Hertz, and you can do all your content creation on here, but still have the power to game on. The second thing, we're gonna have better cooling, because not only are you getting a very familiar chassis, it's slightly thicker to incorporate better airflow inside of the chassis itself and to accommodate some of the new parts that are inside of here. Other updates. I don't have timing on this, but this right here is a 240 Hertz screen. Now, this will allow smoother gameplay, assuming you have the GPU inside of here to support it. So if you're playing less demanding titles, let's say like Overwatch, shouldn't be an issue. But if you're playing more newer demanding titles, it'd be kind of tough to take advantage of the 240 Hertz, but at least you have that capability. I don't have timing on this, but this will be coming out sometime in the near future. What else do you get? Well, you still get the typical awesome Razer Chroma lighting, which looks fantastic. You can still individualize each key to whatever color you want. But I want to show you guys something pretty awesome. It's over here. This right here is the Raptor. This is a 27-inch monitor. This is Razer's new monitor. They're getting into monitors right now. It's a gaming monitor. It has 144 Hz refresh rate. But the cool thing about it is the way you set it up connecting to your PC. All you basically see is one cable going to the back of the monitor, and then you can house all of your other cables on the monitor itself. So this way you don't get like a Frankenstein look with all these different cables sticking out of the side of your laptop, which is like what no one wants to see, especially if you have this up as like a desktop setup. So this is QHD, so you can game comfortably on this, especially with the Razer laptop connected to it. And you also have this awesome Chroma lighting in the bottom. And as with every Razer product that you buy, it will sync up using Razer Synapse. So last up is the Tomahawk. This is one of their brand new cases. In previous generations, whenever they did a case, they'd partner with a separate company to do it. But this year they're going at it alone, and what you're getting is a very sleek looking case. All black, you have that stealth look, you have the traditional Razer green logo in the front, and of course you have a see-through panel inside where you can basically, see what CPU and GPU put inside of here. Now I know this is like a small thing, but thank God there's a USB Type-C port on top, because I'm sick and tired of going to the back and connecting my USB Type-C port. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You still have your Razer Mercury laptop over here. This is gonna be available in more markets coming up in the near future, and everything you see here will be sold very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for some behind the scenes for CES 2019, and I'll see you guys in the next video.